All right, guys, so we're testing out bacon. As you can see, I just got it all in there layered up. And this is a bacon with a lot of fat on it. So it's going to shrivel up tremendously, like maybe 75% because of the fat. And I've never cooked it in the air fryer. So let's see how the bacon cooks in the air fryer. I'm going to start it up. I'm going to put it at, let's do 400. And let's do 10 minutes. Let's see, because I know in the microwave it's about 5 minutes or whatever, depending, 5 to 7 minutes or 4 to 7, it depends. But let's see how long it takes for this bacon. And I got quite a bit in there. I always cut our bacon in half like this, and I fry it like that on the stove, and I also do it in the oven like that. I just don't like the real long pieces. They just don't do well on the plate for me. So, and especially because I'm making breakfast sandwiches. So let's start this. Let's see how this is. And I'll be back. All right, it's been over 5 minutes. All right, so let's see if it's easy. Oh, it's easy to separate too. So you can pile the bacon in here like I did, and it's not sticking together. Cool beans. Now see that? It's not sticking together at all. It's nicely coming apart. And let's see if it'll be done in the next 4 minutes. Let's see, guys. This is with 2 minutes left. So if you like your bacon not really crunchy, it is done in 8 minutes in the air fryer. I like mine a little crunchy, so I'm gonna go with the last minutes and show you guys what it looks like. And this is cooking bacon in an air fryer. We are ready. We are done. And yes, guys, the air fryer does well. Mind you, when you cook your bacon, it is going to get harder. So you don't want to overcook it, because once you cook it and let the air hit it, it's going to get a little bit more crunchier. So don't overcook it in the whatever method you decide to cook it in. Oven, fry, on top, whatever. Just make sure you don't overcook it, because it's going to get even more crispier. But this is the bacon in the air fryer. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm going to be sharing all the different ways that I cook certain stuff in my air fryer and see how they work. So stay tuned. All right, later, guys.